Guys, assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is gagawa ulit tayo ng bagong tutorial. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-send ng money from BPI account to your Gcash account. So madali lang siya guys. So first, i-open natin yung BPI account natin. So magla-login tayo guys. Okay. So next, punta tayo dito sa transfer money. Ayan. Then next, select natin yan. Okay, so amount ng ita-transfer natin guys. So this is sample only. So let's say 80. Okay. So gawin natin 75 na lang. Ayan. So another bank. So another bank tayo guys. Select bank. So hanapin natin yung yan, Gcash ito. G-Exchange or Gcash. Ayan. So yung number natin. So be sure tama yung number na na-input natin. And then yung account name. Okay, so dito sa baba is meron transfer fee, 25 pesos shall be deducted from your account. Okay, so kada magsisend tayo ng pera, so mababawasan tayo ng 25 pesos for transfer fee. Okay, so next. Ayan. So check lang natin ito guys. Check natin yan. Then confirm. Okay, so fingerprint natin. Okay, so ayan na. So since 75 yung i-transfer natin na pera dun sa ating Gcash, so yung service fee is 25 pesos. So a total amount of 100 pesos. Okay, so ayan. Your funds transfer is being processed. So na-process na daw guys. So ganun lang kasimple guys. Yan, so as you can see, you have received 75 pesos of Gcash from BPI or BPI Family Savings Bank with account number in. Ayan. So ganun lang kasimple guys. So again, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and wassalam.